Welcome to Stampede RV Resort, the proud home of the Shot Gun Café in the iconic Tombstone. Get ready to experience the perfect blend of Old West charm with our one-of-a-kind destination. Immerse yourself in the Wild West experience by staying in your RV or renting one of our cozy cabins or Airbnbs. Start your day at the Shot Gun Café, right here at Stampede RV Resort in the heart of Tombstone. Cozy vibes, friendly faces, fresh coffee, and mouth-watering breakfast and brunch served up daily. Come hungry, leave happy. It's how the West does breakfast. Indulge in our delectable breakfast menu featuring mouth-watering dishes such as our Sunrise Benedicts, Hungry Man Platter, and irresistible waffles. Not a morning person? No problem. Come try our brunch menu. From the Southwestern steak sandwich to the refreshing berry goat cheese salad, we've got something to satisfy everyone. Just a stone's throw away from historic downtown Allen Street, where you can immerse yourself in the Wild West. Take a stroll down the boardwalk or pop into the birdcage for a truly authentic experience. Come stay with us in the historic town of Tombstone, the town too tough to die. From shootouts to sunsets, you can do it all right here. Hitch your wagon at Stampede RV Resort, 18 West Allen Street, Tombstone, Arizona. Book today at www.stampederv.org.